Just gonna go really quick for a secondary inspection. Just go through these yellow posts right there.
Hi, we're Mel and Jay. Together with our cat Benny, we're traveling the Baja Peninsula all the way to Cabo and back. This is the story after we finish in Baja, Mexico, where we drive 2,500 kilometers all the way back to Canada. It's our last full day here in Mexico. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's already been 4 months. We're getting ready to cross the US border tomorrow, and well, we don't really want to go with a nasty, dirty rig. So we're gonna do some cleanup today and just prepare for the border.
Well, we're packing things up and we are leaving Mexico, if you can believe that. Almost 4 months in Mexico, not quite. But yeah, it's been just amazing. I have loved the ocean and the water and the sea breeze and the sand. It's been a wet, cool year. So I think we had lower temperatures and more rain than a usual year. But still, compared to the weather anywhere else, it's been absolutely amazing. This has been the best trip that we've done so far.
And I absolutely love getting to meet all the people that we met on this trip. It was incredible. It was like going to camp. It was like social intensity for at least a good portion of the trip. It was just such a pleasure to meet everyone that we did. If you're watching this video, we loved every moment that we spent with all of you. And the food, just the cultural kind of experience. This was like, it blew our expectations completely out of the water. We will definitely be coming back to Mexico. So we have 5 options for border crossings today. We have Tijuana, Tecate, Mexicali East, Mexicali West, and Los Algodones. We brought the Mexicali East on the way down, but since we came down the Sea of Cortez side and we've come back north on the Pacific side, we didn't want to cut all the way back across east to cross again at Mexicali. So we're gonna try a different border crossing. Today we are trying Tecate. Okay, we have one last stop to make in Mexico. If you know me at all, it's a bakery called The Best Bread of Tecate, actually. When I spotted this on the map, I said, we've got to go. The streets are a bit busy. They're not as narrow, though, as some of the places we've been, so this is good.
Do you see it yet?
I don't see it.
It should be coming up on the left.
On the left? Oh my gosh. That is like the mother of all bakeries.
I wondered where you went for so long.
It was like... Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna get you to guess. I'm gonna show you what I got, and then I'm gonna get you to guess what it all cost, okay?
Okay, bread.
I got us a baguette.
Yep.
This box is full to the top, like she stacked things.
Wow.
And I can't get it open. Okay. Are you ready?
Yep. Wow.
Yeah. Look at this. It's like a little basket full of apple pie filling.
That looks good.
And then I got one full of cream for you. I thought you might like that. They had jamoncillo. They make their own jamoncillo. This donut looked amazing. This, I'm pretty sure, is like a banana cake. I have spinach empanadas under here. There's this mystery cookie. It was unlabeled, but I thought, hey, we'll go for it. This is a whole wheat stick with raspberry in it.
Healthy.
Underneath this, there's this huge, like, bun that's got, I'm pretty sure, cheese in it. Can you see it there?
Oh, yeah.
And then I got my pig cookies. You know how I love those pig cookies? So guess how much all of this cost?
370 peso.
Did you look at the receipt?
No,
It was 363 pesos.
I'm pretty good at this game.
This is amazing.
Pretty good.
Stay.
All right, securing the boo.
Last step before we get to the border. He's not happy. He would much rather be hiding under his Mexican blanket.
Yeah, there you go, boo. It's so you don't attack the border guards.
Yeah.
Where do we want to put this? Back seat where Benny was. Bread back there.
All right, we're ready. Locked
right.
and loaded.
Let's go to the States.
Let's do it. One of the unique border experiences here is that while you're waiting in line, there are people selling things like food, water. There was even a guy playing a guitar.
Just gonna go really quick for a secondary inspection. Just go through these yellow posts right there.
Yellow posts?
And yeah, and then just park alongside, right? Because you have a big thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right,
Okay.
thanks. Yeah, that's tight.
Chimney. You got room? You're doing okay. Need to go wide here. Alright, and that way. How do we get out of here? Yeah.
Bring it back even if you got it in the US, but you went into Mexico and coming back with fruits, vegetables, meats, pork or chicken products.
No. Just so you know, we have a cat.
Our cat
But
is here.
he's in the carrier.
He's in his carrier.
Oh, it's in the carrier. That's
Yeah.
good.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, so we just finished at the American border, and we are pleased to say that it was uneventful. Is the Tecate crossing big rig friendly? I would not bring anything bigger than what we have. It was a bit tight for us.
Even just to get through the little guard gate,
That's what I was saying.
it was pretty skinny.
Yeah, it was skinny to turn out of that. But we are across the border and we are back in the United States. Now we've got the long journey home to Canada, but we've got a couple stops along the way. We're on our way to Anza Borrego.
We spent almost a full week hanging out in Anza Borrego, and it was amazing. Be sure to watch for our full video about the park coming soon.
We also spent some time in San Francisco with some friends that entered a robot combat competition. That was really cool, and we'll have a full video coming up on that too.
We are just zipping up I-5, going more or less as fast as we can.
Today we are hoping to get to Emigrant Lake, which is just outside of Ashland, Oregon. Well, it's really hard to believe that 5 months, just over 5 months actually, has flown by and that it is our last night in the trailer. We have arrived to Tecate Casino. They do free RV parking for up to 3 days. And we were supposed to be further south actually, but we just got so excited to be able to get home. We want a much shorter travel day tomorrow, so we pushed it today and came all the way up here. We are now only about 3.5 or so hours away from home. It's really exciting. It's gonna be awesome tomorrow to sleep in our own house. Well, the trailer is like our own little house on wheels, but it's still, you know, a little bit different when it's your house. So yeah, and Benny is hanging out here in the trailer with me. Jay's just getting a shower, and we're gonna be getting up early tomorrow and getting home. So exciting.
We're on the home stretch. We're just pulling out from the Tecate Casino just north of Seattle and heading towards the Canadian border. How do you feel?
After 5 months and 1 week on the road, it'll be really nice to be home for garden season and just to, you know, get up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom and not have to hear a water pump. You know, little things like that.
That was your major problem with camping?
Little things like that.
Yes, I'm looking forward to being home too. It's been an amazing trip, but there's just something about home.
All good things have to come to an end at some point. Where will we go next? That's the big question we have now. If you have any ideas, let us know in the comments below. Months and 4 days.
How far did you travel?
We traveled all the way down to Cabo, Mexico. All right, this is my favorite part. I've just brought him in the door, and I'm pretty certain I know where he's gonna go. You ready? You're already excited. He had a little roll around outside in the front yard. I'm pretty sure he's gonna go to the back door. Where are you, Benny? Huh? Oh, you're gonna check out? Oh, you're switching things up this time. You gonna go to the back door? You're free. All right, except no, you can't go down there. Thank you. Oh, he remembers where his food dish is kept, except it's not there right now. Now it's time for us to unpack, get this place back into a position where we can actually live in it. The heat has been very, very low for the past few months, and so we gotta heat the place up, we gotta turn on the water, we got so much to do, we gotta unpack the trailer, and then we can start our summer season. So that is that. We don't know where we'll be coming to you from next, but we do have some videos about how you can also go to Baja. And we'll have a whole beginner's guide if it'll be your first time. And then who knows what. So until then. Hey, did you know that we don't use any stock music on the channel? All of the music you hear was composed by Jay, and he has started posting it on Spotify. We'd be really grateful if you followed us there too. Thanks.
We've been here almost 4 months.
No, it's been 4 months. It's been more than 4 months.
In Mexico?
Yeah, we crossed December 1st, and today is, what today? March something. December, January, February. Oh.
I was waiting for it. I was waiting for the O.
Sorry, our whole trip has been over 4 months now. Never mind. Okay. Make sure you don't miss the next video by liking, subscribing, and turning on notifications.
Oh, and don't forget to check out our website and sign up for our weekly email blast.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.